What's up, y'all? It's Creator Reshoot Films, and I'm at it with another review of this crazy, amazing, long shotgun microphone. Let's talk about it real quick. This is the TBONE EM9900. I bought this only for $85, and I'm telling you, this is an amazing, amazing microphone. The noise floor is 6.6 dB, which is very unheard of for boom mics. They're usually about 12 to 13. It sounds great. This is not meant for indoor. You could use it, but it's mostly meant for outdoors when you need to have a long range, a longer range to try to capture something more from a longer range. This would be the microphone to get. It's not something you would use usually every day. I'm sure you could if you wanted to, but it's not meant for that, put it that way. So it's meant for, like I said, to capture audio from a longer distance. Within reason, you know, don't be going up 500 feet, 20 feet, 30, 40 feet. I don't know, and just be like, yo, why didn't it do good? You know what I mean? Within reason, all right? The polar pattern for this is hypercardioid. Like I said, for only $85. Come on, they got a high pass filter here. So I'm gonna let you hear it real quick. We'll do a noise floor test as much as we can. And you know, this isn't meant to be a long review or nothing. It's a microphone, you know, as long as it does what it's supposed to do. And what else can I say about it? But all right, let me put this on so you can check it out. Hold on. Okay, so here it is. You're now listening to the TBONE EM9900. And I think it sounds amazing. The pickup is amazing. If you see it, you can kind of see it right here. It comes with this too. I didn't want to put this on there so that you can hear all the frequencies, you know, straight out. But it's a great sounding microphone, I think. Again, you could use it inside like this if you wanted to. I wouldn't, but you could. And this is it. So let's do a noise floor test. I do have a computer in the back that might be throwing a little, making a little sound, but let's try it. Here we go, noise floor test. I just came back from listening to what I did, and this T-Bone long shotgun microphone sounds dope. I mean, I like the way it sounds. It has a close proximity effect. It got a good low end to it automatically. This is without doing any processing. This is just flat by itself. So if you want that, that sounds good. And I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like how it sounds in the studio too. I do. But I just had to come back to tell y'all, you know, it has a great sound, as you can hear. The low end amazed me how it just comes out automatically. If you don't like the low end, you can apply the filter on it so it'll cut some of that low end. But for the price, come on, man. This thing is winning all day. So that's it. Just make sure to subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time, all right? And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out.